Hello, Justin and Sarah. Hi, this is Tony Finley coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile north of the gallery on Highway 31. First, I want to say I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving and you're having a happy holiday season. Now, you inquired about the 2019 Santa Fe XL. Didn't specify a particular color package you were looking for, and I have one here which we call Java Express, which is a beautiful brown color. I like to say it's chocolate. Hey, this comes with a V6 with 293 horsepower. It is front-wheel drive. It does have here the 19-inch wheels. You do have here on this particular vehicle keyless remote entry with the regular key. Let's take a look on the inside. This is Java Express, which is the brown with the tan interior. As you can see, the seats do fold down. It is a third passenger. You get power windows, power door locks, tilt and cruise, keyless remote entry. You also have here the Android and Apple Play with the backup camera, CD player, heated and just basically air conditioning and heating here, and it is an automatic with the Shiftronic transmission. I like to say they're bipolar, so you can drive it like a manual without a clutch or just a normal automatic. All Hyundai cars on this particular trim level comes with Blue Link, which is a great security feature. You can start this car off from the app on your phone. It comes also with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Here at Tameron, we double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles on the powertrain, a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. It gets 25 and 18 in the city and highway for combined city highway of 21, and it is 5-star rated. Hyundai cars are very safe, so if you got small kids or just interested in the safety features that the vehicle have, it is a very safe vehicle. Now, my name is Tony Finley. You can reach me here at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. If you're looking for any particular color, that's no problem. If I don't have it, I can get it for you. Call me. I hope to hear from you soon. You take care and be blessed.